Heyo, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Greg of Loveland, Colorado. The neighborhood experienced a full hailstorm. All the homes in the neighborhood that were built by the same builder as my home filed claims and had their roofs, gutters, and siding replaced, all except mine. This is where, when I tell you guys, look, cheap insurance premiums are great until you have to actually make a claim and get them to pay it, okay? There's nothing more expensive than cheap insurance, right? Talking to my neighbors, none of them were insured by the same insurance company. It seems I was the only one with this insurance company. 3 other insurance company inspectors could not explain to me why all the other homes were covered except mine. In my opinion, stay away from this insurance company. They've proven to me that they are not there for you, okay? So this is the deal. Insurance companies, their whole job is to make money. Most of them are for-profit corporations or they're a mutual company. But guess what mutual companies do when their premiums go up? They lose customers. So they can't pay out too many claims, otherwise their premiums go up too high. So there's always this balancing act. And a lot of times, more recently than not, especially with everything else going on around the world, okay, insurance companies are really tightening their belts and sharpening their pencils and every other cliche you can use to say they're not paying as many claims as they used to be. So if you need help with your commercial property, your industrial property, your medical property, your residential property, and you need someone to represent you in your best interest, contact us. We are licensed public insurance adjusters to work on behalf of you, the policyholder. We are licensed to do that, to represent you and your interests, to fight the insurance company that's being unfair. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. That's bellatorclaims.com. Contact us today, see what we can do to help you.